Today we are going to take you to Meiji Jingu, one of the most spectacular shrines in the middle of Tokyo. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Thank you. It's literally 2 minutes from the Harajuku Station. Make sure you exit on the west side. Exit from here, keep going straight a little bit, you will see it on your right side. You will see a humongous torii gate. Make sure you bow underneath it to show respect. This shrine has wooden torii gates, which is quite special. Usually they're painted in vermilion. I have just entered from the south. The shrine is free, however certain parts have fees, such as this museum. This costs around 1,000 yen. There are also a few restaurants you can go to before or after you visit the main shrine. This is the layout of the shrine. It is humongous. It has 170 acres, making it the biggest shrine in Tokyo. The first spot where you'll see a lot of people taking photos is this sake display. Right opposite of it is a wine display. Emperor Meiji is known for modernizing Japan while keeping its tradition. This represents the harmonious relationship between the East and the West that he started in the Meiji era. We'll be passing through a lot of torii gates. Notice there are 3 flowers on the torii gates. They're actually the Imperial emblem of a chrysanthemum, a consistent motif you'll see throughout the shrine. This is one of 100,000 Waka poems written by Emperor Meiji himself. He was quite a scholar. So this is the purification place where you wash your hand. You can also rinse your mouth if you'd like, because you're supposed to purify yourself before you enter a sacred place. This is the south gate. These 2 trees are called Meoto Kusu, which translates to husband and wife camphor trees. You can make a wish under these trees for blessings for relationships and family. You see these Shimenawa rope. Do not touch them because they marked the residence of the kami. That means deity, and the kami for this shrine is Emperor Meiji and his consort Empress Shoken. This is the outer worship hall, and it is as far as the visitors can go. Beyond this point is the inner worship hall and the main hall. Try to be as quiet as possible when you enter this part because people are making their prayers and just out of respect. The construction of the shrine was actually quite spectacular. The outer shrine took around 100,000 volunteers to make it happen. It was like a movement that unified everyone together. There are some parts of the shrine where you have to pay. For example, the Iris Garden. It's only 500 yen, around $3. It takes a lot of money to maintain this, so think of it as a contribution to their maintenance fee. They only bloom between May to June. There are around 150 different varieties of iris. This is a fishing pond commissioned by Emperor Meiji. The reflection of the pond is so ethereal that it almost looks like a Monet painting. For Shinto, nature is considered as sacred, a place where kami resides. Overall, the Meiji Jingu is definitely worth seeing, not only because it is the biggest shrine in Tokyo, also for its traditional Shinto-style architecture, but also its tremendous man-made forest in the middle of Tokyo.